My name is Tellef Tollefsen. I'm CEO of Norfund. Norfund is the Norwegian Development Finance Institution. And today it's been a great day. We've just signed the deal to invest $14 million into Hela. And for us, that is important because then we can support the manufacturing industry here in Kenya. And Hela is important. It's a big generator of new jobs and good jobs here in Kenya.
So, and we really appreciate the day which we had with Norfund and Hela Intimate CP. So that is again a very good milestone for us, and this investment will make the Kenyan community more viable in this investment. So it would lead us to expand this business in future.
Today we've signed a very important transaction with Hela Clothing. $14 million investment in Hela to expand their operations in East Africa. And basically this is about supply chain development. For us, why this is very important is the fact that apparel is helping to upskill people. The workers who are here are actually doing very, very skilled work. It takes around 22 people to make one garment in this facility. Those are jobs created, those are skilled jobs created in this market. And from our perspective, when we want to get people out of poverty, it's important that we create jobs that are skilled at scale, and that's what Hela is doing. I mentioned earlier that this is about developing supply chains. Cotton is a key ingredient in clothing. We've lost our cotton sector in Kenya, and I think companies like Hela are in that chain of actually bringing up back the supply chains of cotton and ginning back to East Africa.